Hi, everybody. I am here today to present my information literacy lesson. The title of it is Research and Write Your Birth Plan, and the setting of it is in a public library aimed at expectant first-time mothers. So I only have 5 minutes with you today, so I'm actually going to skip over my introductions and then this plan part and go straight into research, and this is probably all I'm going to be able to cover today. The plan, research, and evaluate parts of this are meant to align with the Super 3 from the Big Six. So let's hop into research, and I'll start teaching from there. So just a little more background. At this point, they will have done an initial first draft of a birth plan and come up with some search terms that they want to use using pair and share to come up with a good list of search terms. So now we're actually ready to search, guys. So let's do some searching. So many of you may be familiar with using Google. I expect almost all of you are. If you aren't, I'll be coming around a little bit and we can take a look at it together. And then we're also going to take a look at the library catalog a little bit today. But let's talk about first how you can power up your Google searching. Okay, so Google, here we are, and you can see I'm searching childbirth. And so the two ways I want to talk about powering up your Google searching are using the term not, or in the case of Google, it's a minus symbol, and also limiting your search to a single site. So I think both of these will be useful for you all going forward because what both of these do is they get rid of a lot of extra search results that may not be important to you or of interest to you. And I know that at this stage in your life of being pregnant and embarking on motherhood, there is a lot of information coming at you. So let's go ahead and get started at looking at this not. Okay, so back when we were looking at developing our search terms, we had that question about cesarean sections, C-sections, and having a coach. So I decided I want to know more about that. But you can see when I search C-sections coach, what I'm getting here are results for an NFL coach who left right after his wife had a C-section to go meet with Peyton Manning, and exercise programs. And that's not what I meant at all. I'm not interested in those things. So how can I get rid of these results that don't have any meaning to me and start getting to better results for me? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is do C-section coach and then get rid of the term exercise. I don't want exercise to show up in my search results. So the way that I do that is I add a minus symbol, and that minus symbol is right next to the 0 on your keyboard. And then I type in the term that I don't want to see appear in my results. So you can see here, I'm not getting those exercise results, but unfortunately now I'm getting nothing but the NFL coach results. So I thought about this one a little bit, and I noticed this term sports, sports. I know this is sports too, and sports. Okay, so now I have an idea. And here I've done C-section coach, that's the terms I'm searching, and I've done minus exercise and minus sports. So I'm trying to get rid of results that include the word exercise and results that include the word sports. And now you can see I'm starting to get what I actually want. So you can see I've got here, do I need a doula for a C-section? And that's getting at what my actual question was. Okay, so you can see that adding a minus plus the term you do not want in your results is a way to get rid of some of this clutter that shows up in your search results. So think about that when we are doing some of our research searches later. Okay, so this other one that I want to show you is search term by site URL. So here you can see my search term is labor and drugs, and then I type the word site and then a colon and then the search term. Okay, and now I'm gonna break character and say I only have about 30 seconds left on this. So one thing I learned is how hard it is to get 5 minutes done. So thanks so much for taking the time to listen to this, and I look forward to your comments. Thanks, bye. Hey y'all, I just wanted to let you know that the rest of my slides here are the entire presentation. And so I'm not expecting everybody to go through it, but if you wanted a little more context about what happened before the research stage or want to see where I'm going, I just uploaded the whole presentation for you to take a look at. I also wanted to mention that I struggled a little bit with the um, varying education levels I could expect from participants. So, new mothers have anywhere from a pre high school education to a postgraduate education. So, that was a little bit of a struggle for me to figure out how to um, level my lesson so it would work for everyone. And I'm interested in hearing all of your comments on it, and I can't wait to look at your lessons. And I know I will be learning a lot. So, thank you so much for taking the time to review this.
Hi, all. Rebecca let me know that she missed the audio that accompanies my actual lesson. So if you look at the navigation, this is actually the second slide of 36 slides. So the actual lesson that I provided is on the first slide. So you just use the navigation in the bottom right corner to go back one slide to see my lesson. Please let me know if you have any problems and I'd be happy to help.